Hi everyone, it's Hydrofoam here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the PowerA BattleDragon controller and showing you guys how it is. So firstly, I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this real quickly. I can easily do it with one hand because I've had practice and it's already open, like the tape has been opened, and over here you get the dongle, the USB dongle. So this is the controller as you can see. So it comes with these really cool like protection, and then I'm just going to go ahead and remove them. And there we go. So remove the first one, and then I'm also going to go ahead and remove the second one. And yeah, this is the controller. It looks very much like a Xbox controller. So here's an Xbox controller for comparison. It's a bit smaller as you can see than an Xbox controller, but otherwise the layout and everything is quite similar, and the d-pads and the buttons as well, obviously. All right, so this right here will go into your PC. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into my PC real quickly, and this is basically how you connect it. All right, so just go ahead and plug it into your PC, and now on your PC itself it should show that it's going to connect. So now I'm just going to go ahead and turn on the Xbox controller or the PowerA controller by holding on this button right over here, and you should see this light once you power it on, and that basically means it's connecting. And you can see over here setting up a device, and yeah, so this is basically being set up, and now it should be done in any second right now. And now I'm just going to head into Minecraft and show you guys how it works. Alright you guys, so as you can see, so the controller is connected to my PC and I'm able to play Minecraft quite well. It works perfectly fine, just like an Xbox controller. And yes, so this is pretty much how you connect it. And this is the review of my PowerA Battle wireless controller. And thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.